You've booked your flight and you're ready to go on a wild adventure, but can you really pack everything inside one single suitcase? For stress-free packing, there are some tips you can use to utilize space and pack like a pro. The fold and roll technique has been proven and tested to maximize the space of your suitcase. Just fold up your clothes like you normally do, and then roll each one like a cinnamon roll. For smaller items of clothing like socks and underwear, roll them up and place them inside a Ziploc bag and tuck them inside your shoes. To keep charger wires from tangling up, keep them neatly stored by wrapping a hairband around them. You can store charger wires inside an old sunglasses case to keep them all in one place. Planning out your outfits is a sure way to pack light. Make sure to use tops and bottoms that you can pair with anything so you can mix and match without a hitch. You wouldn't need to buy new travel-sized bottles every time you go on a trip. Save those small bottles that you can get free from a hotel and reuse them on your next trip. Small pieces of jewelry can easily get lost inside your luggage, so these medicine cases will keep them organized, and you can even plan out which ones you can use. Necklaces can be a pain to store when traveling. All you need is some cling wrap, and you will never have to waste your time detangling them. Lay your necklaces flat on top of a sheet of cling wrap. Place another sheet of cling wrap on top of it, and press it down. Roll it up, and voila! Instead of rolling your belt up, you can line the inside of your suitcase with it. Over baggage fees can be such a pain when you're checking in at the airport. Wear your heaviest items of clothing like boots, jeans, and jackets when traveling so you can still bring them along without having to spend an extra $1. Bringing bottles can be tricky because you wouldn't want the contents of bottled items to spill inside. For spill-free storage, cut up small squares of cling wrap. Unscrew the top of the bottle, lay the cling wrap on top of the opening, and screw the top back on. Items such as perfume bottles can be tucked inside socks for added cushion. This will prevent them from breaking in case your baggage isn't handled properly. Want to pack in some shoes without getting your clothes dirty? Put them inside a shower cap. An old contact lens case can come in handy for storing small amounts of product. Just transfer the cream, makeup, moisturizer, or lotion that you want inside of the case. Dirty laundry is something that would accumulate while you're on vacation. Use a reusable laundry bag to separate your clean clothes from dirty ones. Know any more packing tips? Comment them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.